And for Something in the Way, we actually have to go all the way down. We're going to tune it even further than drop D. We're actually going to go all the way down to D flat. And he only uses 2 chords in this song. Underneath the bridge, top has sprung a leak. So that's the verse, and then for the chorus. Something in the way, yeah. Thanks for watching. Endless Nameless is basically just a bunch of noise on electric guitar with a few riffs in there that I think were probably just made up on the spot. Cheers. Talk to you next time.